Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to find out how a union is different from a structure. I shall explain my screen settings. In the left hand side, I am going to compile and execute the program, and in the right hand side, I am going to edit the program. So we are going to find out a good use case to demonstrate the use of a union in C programs. Okay, so first I am going to create the program. The name of the program, I shall give the name as Marksheet. Okay, the file is opened for editing. Now I am starting to write the program. Hash include stdio.h. Straight away I start with void main. So in my use case, I am going to find the concept of, going to use the concept of finding or allotting marks to the students for the subjects they have written an exam. Okay, so in an exam, in a curriculum or in a particular semester, a student needs to study core subjects and elective subjects. Core subjects are the subjects which all the students of a class has to study compulsorily, and the elective subjects, among 2 or 3 electives, the students can choose any one of the elective and study it. So in this case, what I am going to do, I am going to record the marks of core subjects in the structure. So for that, first I am declaring a structure here. So declaration of structure stands like this: struct, I am saying the subject is core subject. Okay, and int the mark of subject 1, int the mark of subject 2, and int the mark of subject 3. So these are all core subjects, and I am declaring a variable for this core. I shall give the name of the core as CORE, capital CORE, core. Right. Now we shall see what is the total memory that is assigned for our structure called as core. So int size is equal to, I am using the size of operator, and the variable, I am going to find out what is the size of the variable core. So we have declared 3 integers, and I am trying to find what is the total size allotted. Printf size is equal to percentage d, because it is an integer, comma si se z. Okay, I shall finish off this program by this statement, saving the program. Then I shall compile this program. .c, and I shall run the program. You can see 3 integers are assigned. So the size of each integer is 4 bytes. So the total bytes which are allotted for the structure core is 12 bytes. Now we can return to our program, and I shall continue with editing the program, where I am going to use a union here. So union, the name of the union is union, and I shall give the name of the union as elective. Right. And in elective also, I am declaring three subjects. One is sub1, subject 2 and int subject 3, and I am declaring a variable for a union. The variable name I shall give as capital elective. Since the C is case sensitive, these two identifiers are different. Small elective and capital elective are different. Now I shall check the size of elective variable. Size is equal to size of elective variable, ELECTIVE. Okay, and I am trying to print the value. Print F %d. Okay, size of elective is equal to %d, comma size. So since here I shall say size of core is equal to %d. So you have two types of user defined variables. One is core, the other one is elective. Both is defined with the three integer variables, integer sub1, integer sub2 and integer sub3. Likewise for elective, subject 1, subject 2 and subject 3. So in this case you have seen the result is 12 bytes, but in case of union we can see what will be the total size allotted to the variable elective. So I am saving the program and I am returning for compiling the program. So there is an unexpected error in my program. What is that is I have failed to put a semicolon here. Okay, ELECTIVE. Okay, fine. And I shall compile the program again. The program got compiled. Now I shall try to get the output. You can see the size of core is 12 bytes while the size of elective is only 4 bytes. Okay, so there is a main difference between a structure and a union. So now to make it clear, I shall put a backslash in here so that the output comes in the next line. So it is clearly visible to you. Save the program. I am clearing my screen. Okay, and compile the program again and I shall run the output. So you can see the size of core is 12 bytes and the size of elective is only 4 bytes, because in case of union only highest data type, highest memory requirement variables size will be allotted to the union variable. So what is the difference? When structure is allotted with 12 bytes, you can store 3 values at a time, but when union is allotted with, since union is allotted with only 4 bytes, you can store only 1 value at a time. So for that I shall show what happens when I am assigning values. So what I shall do here, I am saying that core dot subject 1 is equal to 25, core dot subject 2 is equal to 50, and core dot subject 3 is equal to 75. So subject 1 of core 25, subject 2 of core 50 and subject 3 of core is 75. Now I am printing the values. Core dot subject 1 is equal to %d, comma core dot sub 1. So subject 2 and subject 3. Subject 2 and subject 3. Now the similar way we are going to print the values of elective subjects. So in case of elective subjects, the name of the variable is elective. Subject 2 and subject 3. But here we have not assigned values. That we are going to do now. We have not assigned any values, so we are going to assign values now. Elective dot sub 1 is equal to 25 marks, or I shall take with another value 65 marks. And subject 2 is 75 marks and subject 3 is 85 marks. But you should remember, only one integer variable memory location is allotted for union as a whole. So we are trying to save 3 values, but only one variable memory is being allotted for union. So how the output will get generated, that is what we are going to explore. Saving this program and compiling the program again. Okay, and we are going to find the output. Okay, so I forgot to put this backslash in here, so let us quickly do it now. So that we can have a clarity of the output. Compiling the program and finding the output. You can see in case of uni is a structure, all the values are getting stored and the result is obtained 25, 50 and 75. But in case of the union, only the last value is getting saved here, sub 1. The last value which I am assigning is 85. 85 is the last value which I am assigning here. So this 85 is the only value that got stored. 65 and 75 are overwritten with the value 85, because I said earlier, even though you are declaring 3 variables inside this union, memory is allotted to only one variable. So the total memory allocation is only 4 bytes. So the last value which you are assigning to the variable, that only will get retained in a union. So these 2 variables doesn't have any relevance, and only the last value is getting activated. That's all, friends. Thank you for watching my video. You can subscribe this channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you.